Hi Andy, machine heads fit, absolute treat. Those screws are brilliant. Everything lined up, same holes, same everything, mate. Sounds sweet. I'll play it, but I want you to have a look at this thing for me. She unscrews the top of a new whiskey bottle, shuffles around in a candlelit hovel, like some kind of witch, fingers in mittens. She smells like a cat, and baby she sickens. Black and white TV has long seen a picture. The cross on the wall is a permanent fixture. The postman delivers the final reminders, sells off a silver rubles in China. Dreams to remember how me and myself, the winds of the clock knocks dust from the shelf. Home is a love that I miss very much. The past me bottled and labeled. Sounds alright like that. Obviously I'm not playing with Plectrum. As soon as I plug it in, it sounds brilliant. EA-D strings, nice, loud and crisp. GBE, very quiet. I think it's the same as before, the piezo under the saddle. So have a look at it for me, mate, like you did before. And if you don't mind. So that's that one. You never saw this one, did you? The Ashton cutaway. This has got the onboard piezo on it as well. Got a nice sound to it, mate. So if you have a look at the 12 string for me, I'd appreciate that. Cheers.